Hey everybody, today I'm putting the drain hole in the brew kettle. I'm making a mark about 1.5 inches up above where the base of the kettle starts to curve in. You could put this hole pretty much anywhere you want to on the side. I'm choosing this spot simply because later on I'll be putting in a false bottom. And I'll be running a drain tube down to the center of the bottom of the keg. So I was pushing a little too hard when I was drilling, but that's okay. I'm just creating a starting hole, so I switched up to a larger drill bit, and we'll continue to drill until I actually get through the side of the keg. Now that I've got a starting hole drilled, I've switched over to a step drill bit, and I'm just going to drill this out until I get out to the largest diameter on the bit, which is a little bit over 3/4 of an inch. The reason for that is the valve I'm going to be using is a 3/4 inch valve, and the fitting needs to be able to fit through the hole. Once you've got the hole drilled out, it's a good idea to take some sandpaper or a file or something similar and just go over the inside and the outside of the hole to remove any burrs or rough edges. Next step will be installing the valve.